How to change location on Grindr. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change location on the Grindr app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open your Grindr app, and then once you're in your Grindr app, if it asks you for location, you can give the location permission. So now once you're in the app, here you have to tap on explore in the top right side here. Then here you have to tap on explore. Now here it will show you your current location. So to change location, minimize this, zoom out, and from here you can move which location you want. So for example, I'm gonna move it here. Then you can zoom in to select specific location. Now here you can tap on explore here and wait for a few seconds, and it will show you the profiles in that location. And so this is how you can change location on Grindr. Thanks for watching.